Hey, Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well today. So, you're thinking of getting into affiliate marketing, but you're also thinking, will affiliate marketing die at some point? Do you want to invest all that time and money into something that's just a fad? Well, there's no question at all that affiliate marketing is here to stay for the long haul, and here's why. There's two huge reasons for this. One is that the world is being subdivided into smaller and smaller audiences. It's hard to believe, but everyone used to watch all their news and entertainment on three major networks on broadcast TV. And all the brands and companies would market on those three networks. And obviously, if you were a small player, you could not get into those major networks to advertise. But now news and entertainment are spread across many different sources. And each one of those sources have different audiences. So the future is companies and brands gaining access to those audiences through affiliate marketing. So how do these brands and companies gain access to these audiences? Well, it's through the influencers and affiliate marketers that these audiences follow. The great news is that these audiences can range in size from the micro influencer who maybe has just 1,000, super fan followers to the major influencers who have millions and millions of fans and followers. But even a micro influencer can easily generate a six-figure income through their affiliate marketing activities as they recommend products to their audience. So the world subdividing into smaller and smaller audiences and followings, it really opens up a world of opportunity for ordinary people to make money online. And companies will be absolutely dependent on affiliate marketers to gain access to these followings and to these audiences. The second huge reason is that affiliate marketing has been growing by 10% per year and is projected to continue growing by 10% every year. More and more nations around the globe are transitioning from third world countries to first world countries. And as the people in those countries kind of gain affluence, they now have the ability to buy products and services that you as an affiliate marketer will be offering. And affiliate marketers through social media channels will be the main way for people to find those products and services that they're looking for. Amazingly, 63% of people surveyed said they trust influencers on social media to help them make purchase decisions. And as social media continues to rapidly expand across the globe, there's going to be a huge amount of growing audiences to tap into. Also, companies and products are being launched all the time. And so there's really endless possibilities of new products and services to market and new things for your audience and your followers to buy. So yes, the future is super bright for affiliate marketing. Maybe it's time for you to start an affiliate marketing business. Check out the link below this video in the description. In that link, you're going to find the step-by-step blueprint for how to make real money online as an affiliate marketer. So check it out. See what you think, no pressure, it's totally up to you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.